Hi, how are you? Welcome back to Steve Kayak Fishing. Finally I'm back on the water after that massive storm we had last weekend. The sea was force 8. It was really scary. But I think today the weather is going to give me a chance to have some fun. Well, let's go, and hopefully we will find a nice fish today. Outside the sea is not perfect. The wind is variable possibly. I'm going to start with this low jig, 80 grams. This is one of my favorite jigs. I'm still seeing a lot of baby jellyfish even here in open water. This is 40 meters. The wind has increased a bit. I'm going to find some shelter. I have to find another place because the wind is southeast. It's right in front of me. I'm drifting all the time. There was no waves, but I can't work like this. Sometimes it stops, like now. It's still windy. Well, better luck next time. See you soon. Bye bye.